Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Vocabulary. Let's see if you can score that perfect 20/20. If someone is exonerated, they A. are found guilty, B. are proven innocent, C. are given a warning, D. are sent to trial. The correct answer is letter B, are proven innocent. If you were involved in an altercation, you A. had an accident, B. had a heated argument, C. served in a war, D. were part of a conspiracy. The correct answer is letter B, had a heated argument. If you are a contentious person, you A. are usually right, B. believe in an eye for an eye, C. always try to keep the peace, D. are very competitive and quarrelsome. The correct answer is letter D, are very competitive and quarrelsome. If you are a skeptical person, you A. believe everything you hear, B. doubt or question things easily, C. avoid making any decisions, D. like to argue for no reason. The correct answer is letter B, doubt or question things easily. If you are part of a cabal, you A. are involved in a secret plot, B. are participating in a protest, C. belong to the majority, D. are fighting against the enemy. The correct answer is letter A, are involved in a secret plot. If you are known for your eloquence, you speak clearly and persuasively, B. talk too much without thinking, C. prefer to stay silent, D. write instead of speaking. The correct answer is letter A, speak clearly and persuasively. If you are a bellicose leader, you A. do everything in your power to avoid war, B. are eager to wage war, C. remain neutral during international conflicts, D. treat all citizens equally. The correct answer is letter B, are eager to wage war. If you are a benevolent person, you A. enjoy helping others, B. act rude and selfish, C. avoid social contact, D. demand constant attention. The correct answer is letter A, enjoy helping others. If an apocalypse is near, you can expect A. a period of extended peace, B. a time of anarchy, C. total devastation and destruction, D. an invasion. The correct answer is letter C, total devastation and destruction. If a catastrophe occurs, you can expect A. a minor inconvenience, B. a great disaster or tragedy, C. a peaceful resolution, D. a sudden celebration. The correct answer is letter B, a great disaster or tragedy. If your country suffers an incursion, your territory A. has been invaded, B. is in a depression, C. has seceded to form a new state, D. has had a natural disaster. The correct answer is letter A, has been invaded. If a country declares amnesty, it A. punishes all offenders harshly, B. forgives certain crimes or offenders, C. increases military control, D. closes its borders to outsiders. The correct answer is letter B, forgives certain crimes or offenders. If you meet your nemesis, you meet A. the leader of your country, B. your guardian angel, C. the cause of your misfortunes, D. the person who decides your fate. The correct answer is letter C, the cause of your misfortunes. If you finally achieve vindication, you A. are proven to be right after being doubted, B. lose the respect of others, C. admit that you were wrong, D. decide to give up the fight. The correct answer is A, are proven to be right after being doubted. If you pillage a village, you E. set it on fire, B. destroy it with bombs, C. negotiate peace between warring tribes, D. ransack it and steal as much as you can. The correct answer is letter D, Ransack it and steal as much as you can. If soldiers mutiny, they A. Obey their commanding officer. B. Rebel against their superiors. C. Retreat from battle. D. Surrender to the enemy. The correct answer is B. Rebel against their superiors. If you are a placid person, you A. Are usually calm and peaceful. B. Are always trying to pick a fight. C. Are disloyal. D. Are not to be trusted. The correct answer is letter A. Are usually calm and peaceful. If you are a morose person, you A. Are cheerful and outgoing. B. Are gloomy and bad-tempered. C. Are talkative and humorous. D. Are shy but optimistic. The correct answer is letter B. Are gloomy and bad-tempered. If you plan a reprisal, you A. Plan to surrender. B. Plan to retaliate. C. Hope to negotiate a ceasefire. D. Plan to desert the army. The correct answer is letter B. Plan to retaliate. If you are conciliatory, you A. Seek to make peace. B. Try to start an argument. C. Ignore other people's feelings. D. Demand punishment. The correct answer is letter A. Seek to make peace. What is your score?